Hello everyone, my name is Samail and welcome to my YouTube channel DEVOPS with Samail. So today I'm going to start with while loop, and this is the cell script playlist videos where series of videos are available. If you want to know more about all the series videos, please watch my cell script playlist. Also you can watch Linux playlist also, because these two are basic fundamentals for dev to learn the DevOps. Okay, so today I'm going to start with while loops. In my previous video I already explained you and also given the real-time example how we can use for loop. Now today we will give go ahead with while loop. Okay, so what is saying here, I have just given one small thing over here. Why we are using this while loop? Used for repeated execution. It means anywhere where we want to execute something repeatedly, that time we are going to use this particular while loop or for loop. Okay, runs as long as a condition is true. So it means I'll set up a condition over there in the while loop itself, that okay, on this particular point you have to run, otherwise if it is matching or if it is false kind of thing, then don't run it. So like this will be giving the condition. Okay, so here what is a while loop? Now it is like somewhat we will explain more over here. A loop that checks a condition before each iteration. You know, in for loop also it is iteration. Iteration means first it is checking first condition. Okay, is it matching? Okay, if it is matching, then go ahead with the next condition, next iteration. So like this it will be keep going on. Okay, executes commands until the condition becomes false. So this is the important things here. Until it is false, it is going to execute and iteration will be going on. Okay, mainly used when number of iterations are unknown. So this is the major difference between for loop and while loop. In for loop we know the number. Okay, I want to print from 1 to 100. But while loop, if we don't know also, while loop will give you the exact result as per the condition, because here we are telling that until it is false it is going to iterate. Okay, now you will understand, if we are giving the correct example you will understand better. Before that, what is the basic syntax of this particular while loop? So while and some condition will be there. Here it is important what kind of condition is you are giving, as per that condition it is going to execute. Then do and some commands, means I want to print something, that time it can be print. And done, do and done, this is the syntax, and this is the whole syntax of while loop. Okay, condition checked every time. For every iteration it is going to check, okay, this condition is matching or not. Okay, then do starts the loop body. It means if it is condition is matching over here, then it is going to execute the command. Then done, it is the ends. If you are missing this particular ends, it is going to give you the error. Okay, so this is the conditions and this is the basic syntax you should understand and you should write as part of your shell script. Okay, now let's go with the simple example over here. Here what, I equals to 1, I am mentioning, I am giving, okay, this is my condition. Okay, this is my input, or you can give input also, I can take input later, but as of now you say okay, I want to make a condition, so that's what I am giving one initial value. Okay, so initial value is 1. Now we are starting with while loop. Okay, while I mentioned initial value equals to 1, less than equals to 5, then do echo print and I 1 plus iteration. So here first it is checking, okay, if I am giving I equals to 1, is it less than 5? Yes, right? Then it is printing me, okay, this is I 1, and now on the next iteration it is going to go with 2, I means 1 plus 1, 2. Again it will check 2 is less than 5, yes, then print this, go to 3, 2 plus 1, 3. Now I equals to 3, it is initial value, it is going on. So like this it will be keep going until this particular condition is matching. So let's try to copy this and run this on the terminal. Okay, so I'll say this is while loop, I'll say while.sh. okay, and first line you should give the shebang. Already you should know this one, and I have already explained on my playlist video where you will get what is shebang and why we should use that particular shebang. Okay, now let's try to save this and give the execute permission over there. Okay, so if you don't know what is execute permission, please watch my Linux playlist video. There I have already explained with example. Okay, now sorry, while loop, I'll run this while loop. Okay, so till what condition it is running? Till 5. After 5 it is checking, okay, if I am giving 6 in I value, that time what will happen? 6 is not greater than 5, not less than 5, right? So that's the reason it is not giving the print of 6. Now what I can do, I will try to change the value. I'll say 10. Okay, so I'm telling initial value is 10. Now it will check while 10 less than equals to 5. Is it? 10 is not less than 5, right? So what it should do, it is not going to print that. Let's see whether it is printing or not. / while loop. So it is not going to print that because that condition is not matching. So in company real-time world, you will get this kind of condition also. You have to give this kind of condition, because if I am having this many requests or something, we can give that request. Okay, this request, if I want to get only 100 requests per minute for my one of the application, okay, not more than that. So that time I can set this 100. Where we'll set here, I'll say less than 100. Okay, it should not, I'll say here less than 100. Now what it is going to do, it is going to go with till 100, then it is going to break it. Okay, let's see, till 100 it went, after that it breaked that. So like this we can make a condition and we don't want to get more output over there. Okay, now there is another example also. You can try this one. I'm not going to take much time over here. Okay, and now I'll go ahead with advantages. This one you guys can try with by watching this video, so that you can at least practice it. And for sales script, always remember, don't go with like one time watch video. You need to practice it, then only you will understand more, otherwise you'll forget. Okay, so just try to learn, again apply, learn, apply, create one terminal, create one server from AWS. And if you don't know how to create AWS server, then please watch my Linux playlist video. There I have already posted a video regarding that, how to create EC2 instance and how to connect from your laptop to that particular server. Okay, now I'll go ahead with the advantages. This is suitable for real-time conditions, useful in monitoring and automation, easy to control loop flow, because I can give the condition, so I can control the flow, what can be the flow and how we can manage that particular thing. So I think that's all for this particular while loop in the sales script, and I'll be coming up with different videos for sales script, and in next, after the sales script, I'll be going ahead with Git, that is version control tool for DevOps. So I'll be starting soon. And please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends also, so that they can get help from this particular video. Okay, thank you all. That's it for today.